Alright, here we go. I'm going to show you guys a problem with the GMX550 when trying to install it on an early model Cadillac Escalade like this one. My build date is February 2007. So here's the module. It's all plugged in. Two black wires, brown wire, and it's all plugged back into the radio. Alright. So, navigation screen is on. Let's go to audio. Cars in park. Press play. DVD's working, right? So now, I would press mute 4 times according to the instructions to get the menu to pop up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eins, zwei, drei, guten Tag. Nothing happens. It mutes it, but that's about it. Alright. Dip switch is down, as told by tech support and the instructions. Didn't help. And I also tried it with it up. That didn't help. Yep. And here's the build date on my Escalade. Another strange thing that's happened since it's plugged in. It doesn't tell me my door's open. Before it would tell me driver door open. I haven't even tried the other doors to see. Yep, it's not telling me any doors are open. So there's obviously something wrong with this thing. And you should stay away from it. Build date 0207. Alright guys. And that's my thought of the GMX550. Stay away from it.